Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get your Microsoft Office for free. For this, make sure you go to the control panel and uninstall anything related to Microsoft Office like Excel, PowerPoint or Word, anything related. But I don't have anything related to Microsoft Office installed, so I'm just gonna refresh and open up my browser. So go to your browser and in here search for config.office.com. So here we need to create a configuration file. So we're going to create a new configuration, hit on create, and here you should check the architecture that you want to deploy. So go to your about PC and make sure if you have a 64-bit or a 32-bit architecture. I have a 64-bit, so I'm just gonna select the 64-bit. Here you can select your office suites, which personally I'm going to use the Office LTSC. That is the LTSC version, which means you don't need to pay for anything. This is just completely free and good for people who cannot afford Office. So I only want PowerPoint, Word and Excel, so I'm just gonna turn everything else off just to keep it lightweight and useful. These are the main things that you need to do, but if you want to change some settings like I do, let's go ahead. So see, there's nothing that I want to change here, so I'm just gonna click next. Select your primary language. I'm going with English and select next. Nothing else to change here. Maybe you need to change your language however you like, but there is pretty much nothing else that you need to change. But make sure you take a look at those settings before exporting the file. Once you have done that, you can check everything that you have configured right here. This is the Office LTSC 2024 Professional Plus Edition that will be using because it is free. So this is how you can get your free Office, but remember that it is the LTSC version of the Office, which means it is lightweight and it's supported long term. Okay, this is the product key right here and every other else. So we're just gonna export the config file and use the Office Open XML formats. That's the one that I recommend. Click on OK and agree to the license. Hit export and this will download the, make sure if it is showing as a harmful file, make sure you keep it. Okay, now we have the configuration.xml file. Now all we need to do is open the Office deployment tool. Click on the first link that appears and download the tool. This tool helps us to download Microsoft Office. Once both of these are fired downloaded, go to your downloads folder, right click on it and run as administrator. Say yes to the prompt and this will give you a license agreement. Click on continue, select downloads and hit OK. All the files are now extracted in the downloads folder. Now here we do not need that configuration file, the second one that appears, so we're just gonna click on new folder, name it Office and put the setup.exe file and the configuration file in there. So I'm just gonna put both of these files in there, click on refresh and now we are ready to go. Now we're gonna open up CMD. I know this is very tough. Run as administrator. This is very easy. I will provide the commands that are showing on the screen. So click on CD and copy the address like this to this folder and right click there. Now this will open the CMD in that folder specifically. Now we need to do is type in the setup name as well as the configuration file. So I'm gonna type in setup.exe space and into slash and configure and space and name of the file, which is the configuration with C capital dot xml. Make sure you type it as it is. Hit enter and this will start the setup file and it will take a little bit of your time, depends because of the size and your internet connection. This will start downloading Microsoft Office for you. Now you can go ahead and close everything else because we don't need that. And now as you can see, Microsoft Office is now downloading. This will take a little bit of your time. This is getting things ready. You have to be a little patient on these things. Well, my internet is obviously not that fast, but it is more than enough for me, so I'm just gonna wait for it. Okay, this is taking quite a lot of time. Okay, it's gone now, and it will open up like this. Here we go. Now it is asking me to please stay online while Microsoft 365 and Office downloads. Now all we need to do is wait, and I'm not gonna make you wait with me, so I'm just gonna skip this part and move right to the main stuff. Okay, now you are all set, which means my those three Office apps are now installed, which I selected in the configuration file. Now let's see, I have Excel installed. Let's create a new document and see if it is working correctly. Yep, it is working correctly, and it also does not give me those activate Office prompts because this is the LTSC version, and it also has a license key. So this is an old document which I'm not gonna check. Let's check if Word is working. Yep, Word is working just fine. Just gonna close it and don't save the files. Let's go ahead and check out PowerPoint. Okay, so let's open up this presentation of mine that I created. Yep, I am not getting those activate Office prompts, which are very annoying, by the way. And the presentation is also working fine, which is very good. So this is how you can get Office LTSC version for free. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.